Welcome back, Wavy World. Today I'm kind of stepping into new territory. I'm actually going to show you guys how I color my hair using Arctic Fox hair color. Something tells me my stylist is going to yell at me when she sees this. That's okay though. I've had these bottles for months and I need to use them, and I don't like wasting things. I'm going to start off with sectioning my hair. Well, I think that's as good as it's gonna get for this side. The shades that I'm using are so light that I'm not worried about them showing up on the brown parts. And now let's get the bottom part sectioned out. Use a mirror if you have to. Work smarter, not harder. You can tell there's a little bit of brown left on this side also. Again, I'm okay with that. Now my favorite part is mixing the color. Let's get into it. Now, as far as my colors go, I usually stick with dusty blues, purples, or pinks. Today I'm going to be using Frosé, Sterling, Purple AF, Periwinkle, and Virgin Pink. I'm gonna start with Sterling as a base because I know I like that dusty gray quality to my colors. Frosé next, just for funsies. Let's do Periwinkle next. Oh my god. Let's do Virgin Pink. Ooh, she is pink. And a tiny spot of Purple AF. Wow! This is what the concoction looks like at the moment. Let's give it a mix. It's still a little dark for me right now. Let's add a little bit more Frosé. Yeah, let's add a little bit more Sterling to this sucker. That is looking so much better already. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? And before you ask, no, I'm not gonna do this with gloves because I don't have any. This stuff washes out pretty easily too, at least off of my fingers and stuff. This is probably your ideal section size. Just continue to do that for the rest of the bleached part of your hair. And this is a black t-shirt, so I'm just gonna you get the idea. Honestly, as long as you saturate each strand and really take the time to work it in, you should be fine. And you can hear it, it's good and saturated. Wrap it up and then do the same thing on this side. Take it in small sections, rake it through. And there you have it. I just have it rolled up on top of my head for now. We're gonna come back in about 30 minutes and rinse it out and style it. Just run your tub and rinse until your water runs clear. I can't wait. Let's go. So I was brushing it out a minute ago after rinsing it, and I can already tell it's gonna be so pretty. And I honestly did debate whether or not I wanted to style it in a blowout or style my natural waves, which is what I normally do. But I know that I used to think that vibrance only looked good with a blowout, but hopefully I can change your mind because I decided to style my natural waves. So I'm gonna do that. If you want to see a tutorial on how I do that, I also have a tutorial for styling your natural waves as well. So let's style the wavies and I'll be back soon. Okay, we are all dry and I am dressed for dinner like that. I'm going to Cracker Barrel. Okay, so let's scrunch this out. Okay, moment of truth. Y'all ready? Isn't that so pretty? You can see the underside too. That is so lovely. I love it. I hope you guys do too. I'm surprised at how mostly even it is. This spot's a little darker up front. I kind of expected that, but it's fine. I personally love my wavy vibrance, but let me know what you think in the comments and I will see ya around the bend. Thought you got rid of me, didn't ya? Nah, I'm just playing. I just came back so that you guys could see what the color looks like on straight hair. This is after a wash day. It's pretty, but my waves are just so fun. And now you can let me know in the comments which one you prefer. But for real this time, y'all take it easy, and I'll see you around the bend. Bye.